Alrighty, my 1998 Ford Ranger, 3.0 liter, manual transmission, 4-wheel drive. More moments of truth. This is the sound of victory right here. So this is what I'm using. Duplicolor, Cardinal red. It's a this good old paint here, and I'm gonna go on and put it on here. So here we go. Well, it would help if I spray it the right way. Woo! Look at that. That's a hefty fan. Man, that is impressive. So the first coat's going to be light, they say. That is awesome. One second, guys. Whoa, oh, got a little crazy here. All right. That's going to be an issue probably down there a little bit, but I got some lacquer thinner. And let's see, I'll do a little bit right there. And I'll work this top section here. Whoops. I'm just spraying away. Woo, yeah. Man. Impressive. I don't know what's gonna happen, boys and girls. Alright, they say wait about 10 minutes. So that's the first coat. I'll see you in a bit.